how to log into the Amazon app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log in to the Amazon app on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to log into the Amazon application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Amazon shopping application here. And once you launch the Amazon app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface, of course, where you can select your country or region and the language that you wish to set for the Amazon app. And now you can tap the continue option here. As you do that, on this page you should be able to see a couple of details, but if you look right here, you'll find a little profile icon, so you can just tap in between this profile icon here and it will ask you to sign in or create an account. Now if you already don't have an account, then you can tap on create account, or if you have an account you can tap the sign in option here and just make sure to enter your email address or your phone number. Tap on the continue option, and then on the next page it will ask you to enter the password. Once done, you should be able to successfully log into the Amazon app. This way you can log into Amazon on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.